Howdy friends, welcome to my channel, Woodman's Powers. Okay guys, we have a fuel tank vent right here, okay? These things here, friends, you gotta kind of pay attention to these, because what happens is that if you have any kind of motor running issue, like this one has a little bit, chances are these fuel tank vents, when they get clogged up, your motor won't run real well. It's kind of hard to get off. Don't get your fingers though. And man, I ripped it. It's okay. We'll fix that. Okay. See these little holes in there, guys. Little holes in this vent tube. And when this gets all full of sawdust and debris, yeah, it gets clogged up. So let's blow her out. You'd be surprised when these get full of sawdust. Yeah. You should get them blow it really good. Okay. Okay, you see that? See how much cleaner it is now? Now this will breathe a lot better. Because what happens, friends, when these vent tubes get clogged up, it will mess up the flow of your gas coming to your carburetor from the fuel tank. Now, you just press it back on the fuel line or the air line. See, just like that. It just leans over like this. Just leans down like that. Let's give her a try and see how she's going to work. Cold start. Here we go. That's what you want. Okay, friends, this is kind of important. All your chainsaws have fuel tank vents. They're there for a reason, so they can get enough air through the tank so don't get vapor locked. Because what happens if you get too much air pressure in your fuel tank, the carburetor can't pull the fuel up. Alright? Because your motor, compression, impulse, works your fuel pump with your carburetor. Okay, that's how your fuel gets up to your carburetor, through the impulse line. It works like a fuel pump, but it only works out the vacuum. So if these are full of dirt, now some fuel tank vents are white or like this. Some are down underneath your chainsaw. This one here is up on top. Okay, that's your right there. All right, I hope you guys can see it now, but it's right there. It's on top of the fuel tank. Some models are different, some are like this, okay? So as you can see, I blew the crap out of this here fuel tank vent. Now she works just fine. Let's see what she does one more time. Okay, guys, that's it for now. But yeah, make sure you pay attention to your fuel tank vents, okay? Very important, because if these are clogged up, you're gonna have a lot of problems. You're gonna think it's your carburetor. You're gonna think it's your have a vacuum leak, or because sometimes these things get full of crap. It'll be hard to start, stall out, over rev, you name it. So, all right, guys, that's it for now.